Devlog. This devlog is a bit different to others. In this devlog, I'll be working on 2 games. Let's fucking redo that. This devlog is a bit different to others. In this devlog, I'm actually going to be working on 2 games. Now, what games, you may ask? Well, for starters, I'm going to be working on a bigger project and a smaller project. You may also be asking, how do you know this big project won't fail? Well, me and the team I worked with for the community game jam are working on it. This means that I won't lose the files to backups or have any file issues in general, because obviously there'll be 3 local backups on there, like, overall. The goal of this week is to make multiple gameplay prototypes so we can better understand what will work for our project in the long run. On top of that, I want to further develop my smaller project that I will reveal towards the end of the video. Before we start development, I want to quickly tell you the story for the game, subject to change of course. Story time. An event known as the Emergence occurred. This emergence encouraged further evolution for human beings. This evolution gave some humans out this world abilities like wings or super strength. Although, some people were not born with this ability, thus the divide developed. Riots took place throughout the world, plunging humans into a civil war. Most of the time the evolved humans won, but humans still tried their best. You are a human, and it's your job to try and lead the revolution. Story time over. It's Monday today, and I start the day off with college. Alright, 3:30 PM now, and I'm back from college. And now it's time to work. The first idea is to simply see if stamina is effective, so I'm going to experiment without it. 4:49 now, and this is what I've come up with. I'm going to take a break now though to continue my billionth playthrough of Celeste. I got a bit addicted and it's now 6:40, which means I'm about to speak with Blackthorn Prod, so I have to prepare for that. Then I'm going to Tuesday today, and again I start with college. It was a longer day today, but anyhow it's 6 PM and I'm going to jump right into development. Upon opening the project, I saw that Spitzy and Ectho had been up to something. Spitzy has made some cool physics objects for player immersion, and Ectho worked on some cool tests for how the game will play out. Now I'm going back to my scene to get to work on some climbing mechanics. Alright, 7:06 PM, and after a bit of prototyping, I think I've settled on this climbing style. It's slightly finicky, but I think that's more of my lack of skill with it right now. I'll see what the rest of the team think. Behind the scenes, I've been working on a small mobile game. I started development way back in April. The game started in the garden. I finally began work on it again, and here's some footage of how the first build went. Here we go. Moment of truth. Come on. Come on, it's gonna come up soon. Are you ready? Ooh! What's it doing? Come on. Any second. Oh, it's so weird. It's my first mobile game. Oh my god, it's my Unity game. What the hell? Oh. As you can see, the first build went fairly badly, but then I tried it again and it worked. On Fridays and Saturdays, I'll be working on that project, but for now, I'll be sticking with the main one. Wednesday today, and it's my last day this week of college. 5:06 PM, and I scrapped everything that I worked on today because it didn't work out. Anyways, Ectho worked on some lighting effects. On the upside, today was the day where my Game Dev Odyssey video became my most popular video on the channel, and it's been out for less than a week. See tomorrow where I can hopefully get some substantial work done. Thursday today, I have no college for the rest of the week, which gives me 1 full day to work on the project. 8:44 AM, and I started off the day by calling my partner, Lou, on Discord. After that, I got straight to work with wall grabbing to allow for easier movement. 9:44 AM, and I have now completed it. Now I'm going to do some level design. On paper! 4 PM now, and I ended up getting a little sidetracked with playing Stardew Valley. Anyhow, while I was gone, Ectho worked on making the buildings bigger to make the game more realistic. However, that's it for me with this project this week. Tomorrow I'm going to be working more on my mobile game, so see you then. Friday today, and it's time to reveal my small mobile game, Puppy Garden. The objective in Puppy Garden is to stop the puppies from going onto the dirt. This is done by dragging the puppies towards the centre of the grass. Today I'm going to quickly experiment with some of the Unity ads to see how I can implement it. 9:46 AM, and I seem to have broken the project. I can't press play without Unity crashing on me. 11 AM, I cannot figure this out, so I've asked Alex the dev for some help, as he has experience with mobile games. 12 PM, success! It doesn't have the exact effect I'm looking for, but we can at least run the game now. Next up, I have to work on a restart screen so that the player can choose if they want to continue by watching an ad, or if they want to restart. Although, I'm feeling super tired, so I'm going to do that some other time. Saturday today, and all I'm going to do is edit this exact video, so it's not going to be too exciting, I can agree with you there. Also, I wanted to summarise this week and what I have taken away from it. Mental health is super important, and I don't think even I realised how important it was. After last week's counselling session, I started to look at things from a different perspective, in a more positive light. That's probably why I was so productive this whole week. Sure, I took breaks, but again, I don't want to burn myself out, because that will make me feel even worse. I don't want that to happen. Also, I want to say it's time to thank you all for your support. My recent videos have done the best they've ever done, and it's only thanks to this amazing community. You guys ready for something really epic? I mean it, this is so epic. Okay, ready? 204 subscribers, that's right, we got to 200 subscribers. We grew by like literally 60 subscribers in September alone. It's not even the end of the month. This is crazy, what the hell? But yeah, thank you guys, all of you that are on my Snapchat, and well, whoever's watching this, thank you so much for subscribing, really appreciate it. Got some really exciting videos to come also, but yeah, hopefully it should be pretty fun to watch, and let's go for 300 now. I greatly appreciate all of you for helping me out. It's super motivating. I don't think you even realise. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.